The last thing you note is that the carpet that you're standing on has a faintly glowing aura of sigils in it.
Yeah, same thing, yeah.
As the book is lifted, this carpet begins to float into the air. It stays stationary as it floats.
I fucking dare you, carpet. Make your move.
It is essentially a spell scroll of Misty Step.
This carpet isn't being aggressive, it just stands there?
Yes, it is floating.
Okay, alright.
This
I'll
is
relax.
this is like a 12 by 16 carpet. How about everybody make an intelligence check while you're in this room?
Check.
My apologies. Dang, Magpie.
Hey, my brain's working for a change.
Alright, well everyone else doesn't really seem to notice, but this floating carpet, once you thought it was probably a trap or an attacker, you realize it is actually a flying carpet.
Oh, really? Gimme! I mean, seriously, he like walks up to it. He's like, "Hey, for real? Really, really, really?" I mean, he's like kind of like as if it's alive kind of thing, right?
Right.
If you let me have this, dude, you have no idea how happy you're gonna make this character.
I mean, it's a flying carpet that you can acquire for the remainder of this adventure.
I'm grabbing this motherfucker.
Alright.
Do I need to attune to this?
No, it doesn't require
It
tuning.
does not require tuning.
Fuck it, I am gonna meditate on top of this flying carpet for our short rest is what I'm gonna do, folks.
Right, and this one is, God, it's a huge flying carpet.
Yeah.
Too bad we're not Critical Role. We won't have several crocheted copies just the right size mailed to us next week. Are we fighting or running?
The
We're
blood
running.
begins to form again, pouring from the skulls of these two now animated golems.
Okay. Because here's the thing, guys. I can leave you guys in the dust, and I do not want to do that, okay?
Oh shit.
So,
Yeah, well, I'm running. I don't care about the rest of you. after
By the
this.
way, the werewolf Shiloh is going to stay with you. Like the flying carpet stays with you.
thank you very much. Here's the thing then. I mean, if all we're doing is running, then screw this. I will shadow over and, you know, keep whistling for the carpet to follow. All right, I got a real meta question for you.
Sure.
Do we know these
You have to
this
be able to
labyrinth
see where
well
you're
enough?
going.
Right. Can we? Well, no. Here's my question: do we see the River of Blood? Do we know which way to get through the labyrinth? I don't want to run the wrong direction again.
The river of blood has begun to pour again, but whenever the trail of it was disrupted, it receded.
Okay, but I mean, can we see it now?
You can see splotches of blood here and there. There is blood that's scattered about in this labyrinth pretty much throughout. But
All
you
right,
do not
then
see
I'm
a
just gonna
clear
try-
path.
Okay. All right. Screw it then. All right. I'll just move and hope for the best then. Okay.
It is the Magpie's turn.
Okay. I can see where we are. Oh, meta. Okay, hold on. I'm just still running.
Meta.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Yeah, okay. Can I immediately back up real quick?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Another Hanna-Barbera skid. How tall is this chamber?
The chamber is 15 feet tall.
Yeah, okay, I can't do what I wanted to do then. All right. Shh. I'm not taking these guys on by myself. I'm going to come up one more square. Can they see me?
If they were, you're not really, you can't really tell whether or not they can see you or not, but they seem to be standing motionless, side by side in the chamber. Two skeletal minotaurs with axes.
Right, alright. They're standing motionless, just waiting for something to come within range, I think. Again, guys, I can leave you guys in the dirt, and I do not want to do that. So,
What's your passive perception again? 13?
I believe so, yeah.
Behind them is a glowing red light.
Right, that's what I'm thinking. I can just shadow into that and bye-bye, guys. And I do not want to do that because I'm a good guy. So I'm going to hold here. Taking the dodge action. I'm still going to... Okay, I'm not worried about our cover being blown because those guys are still making enough noise to wake whatever. So again, I'm just going to continue the Daffy Duck impression so everybody knows which way to go. Yoo-hoo, 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 yoo-hoo. So everyone come this direction.
Oh, shit.
And I'm gonna just dodge right now, waiting for the rest of the party to get here.
As you make those noises, both of the Minotaur move from a motionless stance to placing their axes in both hands.
But they're not moving.
Not yet.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, like, they can't hear everything else being destroyed as it is, so whatever. We do flanking, right?
That's right, sir.
And we're also in dim light, am I right?
Yes, you are.
Can I get right behind one of these ugly guys?
More or less you can. You can find a shadow near one of the pillars and then step over towards them.
Right, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so if I'm reading this right, just like the end of Superman 2, right? Just how he kind of jumps out everywhere, right? So,
Oh my gosh, I know that reference. I got that.
yep. And he comes up there. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's my bonus action. So that's 10 feet of movement, and I am just going to punch this guy. Do I get flanking where I am?
Yes, you do.
All right, here we go.
So you get advantage.
Well, I got advantage anyway, so screw it. Doesn't matter where I go. Here, I'll go here just to... There, just to be annoying.
Bludgeoning damage and skeletons and crying.
Both of you guys do bludgeoning damage.
Yeah, pretty much. The necromants are inside of me is so sad for those minotaurs.
How does that do?
18 and 20 both hit. 18 and 26 both hit. 14
Total
and
of
10
12.
damage.
Can I at least take out a rib with all that?
Oh, definitely. You smash right through one of the sides of this creature's enormous rib cage, and the innards of intestines, long since rotted, fall out and splatter across the ground.
Would it be a free action to whistle for the flying carpet to come over here?
Yeah.
Free action. Thank you. That's my turn.
Alright. The two Minotaur are going to concentrate with their great axes on our hero, the Magpie.
Fucking typical.
Oh boy. That's correct.
That always helps.
One. Two. Look at them
Yep.
rolls.
Yep, they hit. So it's -4 to each of these.
In terms of damage.
Correct. Jesus, thank goodness.
So 21 and 14. Slashing.
35.
I'm laughing
Shit.
bad right now.
That hurt.
Alright, Magpie. Your
I
moment.
cannot take another hit like that.
Cannot.
Oh. I can get out of there. It's you guys I'm worried about. You're sure? Okay, fuck it. Then you're gonna see my big grand exit, okay?
Bye-bye.
Okay. Alright, no. Here's what we're gonna do. Hold on. So, that allows me to just kind of like backflip out of these two assholes' spaces, am I right?
Yes, it does. Disengage.
How fast does this carpet move?
I believe 60 feet flying.
Okay, so how about this? Alright, how generous are you going to be with me, DM? Can I grab this carpet and shadow step with it?
Not with the flying carpet, with a person in it.
Okay. Crap. Alright, fuck it. Alright, you know what? Okay, alright, I could take one more of those hits if I needed to, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna jump on that carpet.
Oh, interesting.
I got more than enough movement to get to that spot, right?
Alright, use half your movement to mount the carpet.
I still got 20. Okay, but the carpet's got 30, so...
I believe the carpet's got a lot more than 30. Hold on a second.
Right, you said 60 a minute ago, didn't you? So here's what I'm
Depends
thinking.
on the
I'm
size.
just...
It's
Right,
the largest
and you said it was a
carpet.
pretty big one.
Yeah, so it's 30 feet, so it can move 60 feet total. Okay.
Okay. Then here's what I'm doing, and if I take an attack of opportunity, so be it. But
Okay.
I want to jump on the carpet,
Okay.
and I want to fly it around. Okay, here, I'm gonna, here, hold on a sec. That's where I disengage to.
Okay.
So you're saying that's half of his motion to do that?
To get onto the carpet, yep.
To get onto the carpet. I gotcha. So he's just gonna disengage and just kind of backflip onto the carpet. Okay.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna count out squares. That should be under 60.
That definitely is under 60.
Am I getting swung at?
You may get swung at by the south Minotaur. He's gonna try to
Go ahead. Go. Yep, do it.
Disengage implies you did the entire turn. It's not just one.
Actually, yes, it's not just for one creature. That's your entire turn, so you wouldn't get
Really?
hit.
Okay. Then, okay, as he flies this carpet out, he's using Minor Illusion to blast Surfing Bird by the Safaris as loud as he can while surfing on the carpet right into the ruby thing.
Alright, it's done.
Thank you. You guys better be behind me. He gives you that kind of look before he pops out.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner.